Want to remove the header and footer from your WordPress website using Elementor? In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to do that in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to master Elementor like a pro. Start by opening your WordPress-based website in your browser. Once you're on the page, scroll all the way down to see the footer. That section at the bottom of almost every professional website. Now, go to the top of the screen and click on Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor loads, click on Site Settings from the top left corner. From here, choose Layout. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called Default Page Layout. By default, it's set to Theme. Change this to Elementor Canvas using the drop-down menu and hit Save Changes. Now you can click the preview icon next to the Publish button in the top right corner to see the updated version of your page. Scroll down, and just like that, the footer is gone. If you want to go back to the default layout, simply return to Site Settings, change the default page layout back to Theme, and save your changes. That's how easy it is to switch between layouts in Elementor. Let's move on to removing the header. Back in Elementor, click on Edit with Elementor. Choose Header. In the Header Editing panel, click the small down arrow next to the Publish button and then select Display Conditions. A pop-up will appear with two drop-downs. In the first drop-down, switch Include to Exclude, and in the second one, select Entire Site. Click Save and Close from the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Now go back to your site and refresh the page. You'll notice the header is gone too, giving your page a clean, minimal look. Want to take it a step further? Click on Customize from the top bar in WordPress. It will open the customizer in a new tab. From here, go to Header Builder. Remove the site title and logo and primary menu by clicking the cross icons next to them. Then publish your changes and return to your main website tab to refresh the page. Everything you removed should now be gone. To remove the footer completely, follow the same process again. Click Edit with Elementor, but this time choose Footer. In the editor, click the down arrow next to the Publish button. Go to Display Conditions, set it to Exclude and Entire Site, and save. Switch back to the Customizer tab, and this time click on Footer Builder. Remove any remaining elements like copyright by clicking the cross icon and hit the Publish button once you're done. Go back to your page, refresh it, and that's it. The header and footer are completely gone, and you're left with a sleek professional layout. So, ready to design like a pro like this? Elementor is my go-to tool, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.